Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection is one of the most common reasons apps fail to download.
Corrupted cache files can prevent downloads. Open Settings. Go to Apps at PP Store. Tap Storage. Select Clear Cache. Reopen PP Store.
Update PP Store. Using an outdated version can cause compatibility issues. Update PP Store to the latest version. Restart the app after updating.